Can I make big changes left or right when I retire? Absolutely, you can. Hey, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. One of the questions I get asked a lot is about being ready to change your plans for retirement. I actually had a friend of mine who was retiring a year before me, and I thought, okay, you know what? I'm going to watch his retirement very closely because he's going to have a full year on me, and I wanted to see, how it was going to go for him. And I was absolutely blown away the amount of changes he had to make to pivot left or right to be ready to set up his retirement the way that he wanted it to go. Um, I think being ready to adjust, pivot right, pivot left, whatever terminology you want to use, to be able to get to where you want to be for retirement is a very good skill to have. Like, I would call it a skill because a lot of people cannot handle change very well. It's very hard for them to work through a problem when it comes to changes. But having the ability to change or to pivot left or right to make your retirement the way you want it is absolutely key. And I hope everybody can find that path that gives them a great retirement.